emerging material for sure. Graphene is the most emerging material nowadays in the research, in the material science.
Yes. Tell someone every month someone comes out with some article is how this is the next thing that's better than graphene.
Yeah, I know. They talk about HBA and different type, but let's say 2D material generally speaking, especially graphene, because it's not expensive.
Boron nitride nanotubes.
Boron nitride, yeah, nanotubes.
That's on the list. Yeah. Except for the fact that it's $20,000 a gram. It's fantastic stuff. So we're working now with Linex to come up with graphene enhanced coating, either their phenolic resin or one of their other products, to seal the plates up a little bit better. Mm-hmm. One of the ones that we made, it's actually using a Spectra material. Mm-hmm. We were supposed to be using something better, but they sent us the wrong stuff. But that was just a handgun plate that we shot at gun range in New Brunswick, and that caught and held 4 9mm rounds and 2 44 Magnum rounds. And they're all still in there, all the bullets are in there. With ultra high molecular weight polyethylene or PEng or something, coming up with an actual extruded fiber.
Yes.
Using the graphene that we would then weave into our own material. So instead of using Spectra or Kevlar or Dyneema, we'd have our own graphene enhanced cloth.
Yeah. So I have an electrospinning machine in my lab. I can show that machine to you. So, and I'm gonna have a new student, summer student, working on that one. So
1 to 3 layer.
Yes, because actually we run Raman tests on them, and it shows that actually the lattice properties, structural properties, which means that there are less than 10 layers for sure, which is perfect. Yep. So this is about number of layers, but the particle size itself is around maybe few microns, I guess.
I'm not sure which one we gave you. We've got four kinds of CarbonEra platinum, but they come in 4 different flake diameters.
Exactly, yeah.
The finest being around the 1-2 micron level,
and the maximum.
The maximum 100 to 150 micron.
150. Yeah.
That's trickier to use because if you don't.
And this is pin on a disc method. So this is the base oil that we have. You see, we have the base oil inside. We mix it with the graphene, for example.
That's just the base mineral oil?
Yeah, and it will be connected to the computer so we can collect the data over time, how the CFF, everything changed. Then we take out the sample and we do. This is our electrospinning machine. So for sure this is R&D, a small scale. But so the good thing about this machine is it has 2 nozzles and 2 syringe pumps. So what we can generate here, what we can fabricate here is the fiber with 2 different layers. Let's say in the core you have graphene, on the shell you don't have, or vice versa. Or we can use 2 different materials, totally 2 different materials. Okay. Yeah, so